Hey guys, it's Paul here, PNUK or Punk Training. I want to give you a quick guide to how you can get 30% off your annual or monthly plan on Restream. Effectively, if you go to Restream and cancel, they start sending you emails saying, hey, here's a discount if you come back. And eventually you'll get to one that says, you support 30 and get 30% off. So if you go to Restream and sign up, you'll see whether you're going to go the standard. Most of you, if you're switching over and thinking of going from Twitch to a multi-stream option, full HD, you're going to want to be the professional plan. So we'll click on that and we will sign up. I'm going to sign up. I've just tested this, so let's go Restream 1. So sign up and log in, and it'll take you to here where it gives you $19 off of that first month. If you are on a monthly plan. If you want to go annually, it'll still apply. So what we're saying is you've put here support 30 and apply. That will be, you got a great deal. The promo code is successfully applied and you're going to get 30% off annually. And your first month is for $15.30. So you're going to pay $15.30 to trial this out. Your discount applied, your subscription will be auto-renewed payments at $34 a month. Your next payment is due in October. You can cancel your subscription anytime. So we are trying out this Restream, losing my voice, for $15 for the first month. And then it will auto-renew 30% off $34. So I hope that helps. Any questions, anything you need to know, there is a little bit of training on there, but if you've got specific questions on Restream, I do have a Restream account as well, so I can do quick videos. Fire them in the comments. I'll try and do a video next time where I'm not losing my voice. Might drink some water before I start it. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. PNUK, training, punk training, whatever you want to call me. Punk out.